All right, so let's check out this mask. I'll put it on in a little bit, show you what it looks like. I always wear something underneath. So this is plasticky. I don't let this touch my face. And the hole is pretty big, so your head will fit in there. Even if you got a big melon. Let's show the side view. So there's a hole for the ear. There seems like decent sized eye holes. There's nose holes. And on the sides of the mouth, there's 2 holes right here. So let's put this on and see what it looks like and see how it feels. So as I said, I always have a cotton mask of some kind that I will put underneath. And it goes on good. The smell is strong, so you probably want to wash it with soap and get the inside because it's pretty strong smelling. Feels good. I can see good. I'll probably cut the entire mouth. That way I can breathe better. But hopefully that helps. And you have yourself a great day.